Want to make your business more visible online? Getting listed on Google Maps is one of the best ways to help customers find you and grow your brand. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add your business to Google Maps. Open the Google Maps app on your device and ensure it's updated for the latest features. Tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner to open the menu. From the options, select Add Your Business. A new page will open where you'll need to enter key details about your business, including its name, category, address, and contact information. Once that's done, follow the instructions to verify your business. Google may ask you to confirm ownership through a phone call, SMS, or email. Once verified, your business will be live on Google Maps, making it easier for potential customers to discover you. You can also update your profile with photos, working hours, and customer reviews to enhance your online presence. Your business is now officially on the map. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business and tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and best of luck growing your business.